Fellow Southern Cameroonians and Bazonians. Yes, Namola Wunja don't come this afternoon here from the United Kingdom of Great Britain. I don't come for salute everybody. All of us, where we dey inside this crisis, where they go on for ground zero. I don't come for give hope and courage for everyone. I don't come for salute everybody where they ground zero. Those them for ground one, where the people then when a refugee, and the ones them for diaspora. I don't come today for talk something where it be very important. I get 3 things for talk where they be very, very crucial. The first one where I go talk about what did it happen for the struggle, what did it cause the downfall for the struggle. I go talk again about the finance auditing report where we don't come for Restoration Council. Then I go talk again about people then where they cause confusion. I no go call names for inside this struggle, because time don't reach where we need to say the truth, more talk the truth about what did happen. I don't come today for salute all man where they for the 2 areas and for the Southern Cameroons. Those and for Nigeria, Bamenda, Northwest, the Northern Zone, sorry, and those then for Boya, for the Southern Zone. I don't come today for send una warm greetings. I send greetings for we brothers and for South Africa. Send greetings for the one there for Nigeria. Send greetings for all those for diaspora, USA, United Kingdom and Europe, Asia, China, Japan, everywhere in the world. I don't come for greet everybody. I want this video made a share and very well, because it get a lot of important information I want to give out. Thank you. Before I start this video, I go introduce myself as Mola Wunjambua. That is my name. I go want me all man understand one thing. We there for this struggle. Yes, we there for this struggle, all we. Whether they born you for Northern Zone or Southern Zone, all we there for this struggle. We face the same problem. But before I go to that, I go want some talk with it concern this monetary issue for my trip to Boya, money and the auditing where it don't take place. I go want all man, make all man be adamant, make all man be quiet, patient, because the auditing report, it be reach the Restoration Council on the 15th. The chairman for Restoration Council, it be handy this report to the Finance Committee of the Restoration Council, where they be in charge for see what did go wrong with finance in this in this struggle. So they don't come yesterday where we get meeting. We don't hold meeting. Now me I be chair the meeting because chairman no be well. Me I be vice chairman for day. So we don't hold this meeting. The Finance Committee chairman, he don't talk say the finance reports where they bring them by the auditor, where they send them for it no be too clear for put them out for the public for now. They want go through it, they study it. Any figure will be doubt, they go call the Secretary of Finance, may come for answer questions for Restoration Council. But if they check everything they okay, They go put them for public, make all man look am. The end man make his own judgment. Now so the thing dey. Now the thing that way, the thing be a bit delay. So make all man be patient, and then we will see what it go be the outcome of this particular auditing where they don't make and way that the accused people say they don't take money. So now tell don't come. Now first thing that don't come for tell all man, me wanna ignore any report where they float around, because nobody real report that. The real report there for we hand. And we know say some figures a day where it be doubtful, and so on the day where they no appear, so on the day where they be signed, where the people no accept saying that they sign them. So a lot of contradiction there, where we get to look them again, they get to make an independent report. If they find them necessary, then they go bring out the final result. So I hope say the one don't go clear, it don't clear the air. Then we will go now for the next point. I go want advise my brothers them, where they make activists them, where they call names, insult their brothers. I go advise una make una stop them, because this revolution no be child play. Now people their blood them where they don't sacrifice and for down. We for Europe we never lost one person, but people for down for ground zero and ground one, they don't lose people, so the blood don't tire for flow. May we stop this thing for the insults. I be doctor, I pass you, you be just journalist, you no go school. Oh, I pass you, I get job pass you, my salary pass you, blah blah blah. May we stop this. It's totally a disgrace to diaspora. It's a disgrace to you people. Una dey they say una fight revolution, but una fight una self. It's a disgrace. I go tell una, na big disgrace. If una no know for handle revolution, una leave am for people for ground zero. Because all problem the common na for diaspora. I want my people them for ground zero, me una listen. All the fighters them, all the soldiers, me una listen wetin me at the talk. My name na Mola Wonja, na me at the tell una. All problem where the common for this struggle, the common na for diaspora. Now the people them for here, they bring problem. Now me I don't talk am. Because of greed and wickedness and selfishness, now they make that they do all this nonsense. Now where America, they don't try say they want to recognize we. Some people they try way for overshadow the IG, for shadow Sako them. Now the two they see all this insult they come out. Let me tell you something. I go be very clear here. Sometimes people talk about division. They talk about tribalism. But the worst tribalism come now for some other people, their skin. Now then they cause this problem. That people where they cause tribalism, where they try say make they move Sako and Chris Anu, so they go cash Shidon listen at them. Then they lie say they don't chop money. Ma tell una, it no go work. It no go work. Some person no go come out, go begin try for sabotage Sako. Say that they pay Sako a house. What is wrong to pay Sako a house? And one can stand for that Sako a place where he go give a life, where he no go the work. He go, that is a full-time job. If we not pay Sako a house, who go pay a house? They even get to pay house, pay children for this type of revolution. If the money dey, now because of we greed, now they make with the look all those small things. Because of wickedness, and because of where he come from. Mateuna, may we look, one of we brother, I don't know whether they call Nelson or Chelen, UN. He wrote an article today. They insult he, because he can't write the truth. Say all of this problem, they come now for we other brothers their side. Why would I not accept true? What is wrong for accept true? This thing where they fight and so ma tell una not forget when I talk say Bakweri man weak, ma tell una something. Now who they fight German there for Second World War, move them out of Boya. Now Bakweri people. Yeah? If Bakweri people they not join this fight because of what you people are doing and what you people have been doing in the future, in the past. That's why they are afraid. And that is what we are facing. For all of us to stand and rally behind Sako, we are there sabotaging him. Because they want to put their own people on top. Some of you are very wicked and greedy. Some of you are very wicked and greedy. Let me tell you. When they know that they are just looking a loophole, when a loophole come in, when a gap come that they can come and talk, some foolish journalists they go come out, will not even know who they come out, whether na Southwest, whether na Ambazonians or na Bamileke people, they go come out can make audio, begin talk, me I'm this, I'm Capo Daniel. Where are you from? Idiot. One thing, one resource, one supply for help the government. One resource. If it that independent will get that tomorrow. One resource so no go come out for that place where that food and they talk. They don't even get one tree, one bomber tree where they even supply them. Say me to say he go now for now even for Tico made a quarter of Tico sawmill. He no come out. Una they argue with people where God don't bless them. For we for sit together, we fight with enemy, una the fight una own brothers. Una don't see what it be happen. This very thing be happen for Foncha and Endeli. Where the corner the corner la Republic, they fully they manipulate it. He can't move all the other Southwestern and they for a government. Put na only own brothers them. Now where we did today so. Now we did today so. When I talk about Endeli, 1953, who take we out of Enugu? Is it not Endeli? Is it not Endeli? Who they flop too much for inside that parliament? More will face the truth. Time don't reach or talk true. If we not stop this nonsense, we go help for divide this struggle. We go help for divide this struggle. This thing must stop. This thing must stop. All these people, I about show them, all these people, back barata, when una dey make money, una get to stop this nonsense or cause confusion for the people. People that they die. If una not stop this nonsense, then una the one divide this struggle into two. Now me I talk, I need the fear, I there for the fight, and nobody will ever crack my head. They una nonsense una make, and when they call unity, una deny, una come and go form this, form scope, form this, form scope, just to bring confusion. Call Seseko prison, give him bad ideas them. May it look like bad man. When I put people there for problem. Very bad and selfish people. If una not change, all this una call una self leader. If una not change, na me I tell una want this struggle. If una want me, we follow this struggle as it is. Na me I talk, I know the fear. May we follow them the right way. We come together, we support each other. But if una do the una discrimination, when una coach Sako them, coach all man we want talk, una go behind, go hold meeting. May I tell una na the truth. I don't consult people them for down plenty. We dey put we self inside a bunch of fire will no fit come out. Make una stop this una discrimination where it dey for una skin. Make una stop am. If una not stop am, I dey tell una this fight fit divide into two. Na me I dey talk, I need the fear dey inside the fight. Some people go talk, oh, Wonja, na division man, na lie. I not be divisive. I dey tell una the truth. Una must change. If una not change, then una go see am. I need to argue, I need to use force, but I dey tell una the truth. Una get to change. We get to follow one party. They get to go in unity to solve this problem. Not every time person Sakodo sacrifice his life, Chris Anu the talk sote his voice he broke. Una no go talk say thank you. Una no fit appreciate. Man tell una, Bakweri man na sober man. Na man wey he be cherry. You come for Bakweri man, Fako man he go give you place, build even for corner a house. The village people no ever pursue you. Una go stay there sote una die. They no go ever take your land. They no go fight you. You go do what you like. If you like, you learn the country talk. Na so Bakweri man dey. But una don't take the way una the come with una own. Some of una come with bad hearts, bad greed and wickedness. Now they keep this struggle inside there today. From today, if any man where he want do the, he want come for this struggle, he want come and say, he want come for the fact of division, then man tell una the truth. I don't consult Southwest people. They are not happy. They are not happy. That is my message. This message should be recorded. Southwest people are not happy. Thank you.